I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nana Boozhoo loves Natasha. Okay, so listen, can you do me a favor? Anything for you, Nana Boozhoo. You want to announce the show for us? Yeah, that'd be great. All right, let me just Boozhoo, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. I am Paul Stanley, and this is Nana Boozhoo. And over there on the guitar is the lovely and talented Natasha. So please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Take it away, Nana Boozhoo. Oh, thank you very much, Paul. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And, today I was thinking, let's just do a song. Welcome to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture. Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you have only waited for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you have only waited for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of the dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you have only waited for this moment to arrive. You have only waited for this moment to arrive. You have only waited for this moment to arrive. Maybe I hide and love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I hide and treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I hide and hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. The little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. More convenient than a Tesco Express, close to Windsor but the property's less. It keeps the businesses of Britain great. It's got London's greatest trading estate. The Doesn't matter where you're from, you wanna work, then come along. The station just got a new floor, and the motorway runs by your door. And you know just where you're headed. It's equidistant between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. To the west you got Hampton and Brain, you got Hillingdon the other way. It's a brilliant place to live and work. It was Yorkshire, officially it's Perth. Don't believe what the critics say, like it's boring, soulless and grey. Say for yourself what you waiting for. We're on Bath Road, that's the A4. And you know just where you're headed. It's equidistant between London and Reading. Whoa, Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, my kind of town, I don't know how anyone could put you down. Slough, whoa, Slough. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Oh, leave young thing alone. I know sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Oh, and you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hawa.